The first pieces of art that I started working with, the instructions were blow up your photography, do geometric designs around it. That has developed into taking a piece of photography, extending it so that it is completely painted like a photograph, and it becomes like a window into another reality. I also started painting objects on furniture, on bowls, on rugs, on any wood or surface that I could paint and finish. So in my mind, I have walk-on art, I have art on the walls, I have art that I can utilize on my tables. It incorporates every aspect of my life and every aspect of the law office. We sit on painted chairs, we walk on painted rugs. In every room we have a multitude of pictures from all over the world to entertain the eye and the mind as someone sits and waits, either to talk to me or take a deposition or just to stimulate their mind. One of the byproducts of my art is, of course, people immediately identify with it, and it speaks somehow to their consciousness and tells them they too can do this. So, we've had things in our lives where people go out and do rope sessions together, climb mountains together, and do these various things. For me, I paint with friends. And that brings us together. I've even painted with clients because in that process where you paint and move your arms and have creative ideas together, there is a byproduct of a third dimension or another dimension of communication that takes place between all the parties that are participating. Creates incredible friendships.
You've sometimes had gallery showings. Want to tell me about one of those?
I am invited to show my art in various locations, in galleries, in various, maybe a real estate office, maybe a doctor's office, maybe someone else's office. I've been in art galleries, but most of my art is sold and shown for the purpose of my clients and friends and to raise money for nonprofit crusades.
So you just had an event at your home, the Mardi Gras in July. How did that go?
I recently had an event in my house. An example of this would be I had an event in my house. We called it Mardi Gras in July. It was with my Rotary Club, which is in Rainier Valley. And the purpose of this party was, one, to have fun, because as people share time and have fun together, they build incredible bonds to do other good work. And any of the monies that were raised by selling the art or other items was committed to projects that would help students, mainly under the age of 10, in Rainier Valley learn math, whether it was a robotics program, dictionaries, explorations of math. So that is how I use my art, one, to bring people together, and two, to raise funds so that good deeds can be done for others.